Welcome back to our channel Tax Master. In this video we will learn the application of a metal oxide semiconductor. Amplifiers made of MOSFET are extremely employed in extensive frequency applications. The regulation of DC motor are provided by these devices. As because these have enhanced switching speed, it acts as perfect for the construction of chopper amplifier function as a passive component for various electronic elements. www.kelvin.com wire MOSFET circuit diagram. So we back and we will learn from another website about basic concept upon about MOSFET. MOSFET make very good electronic switch for controlling load and its digital circuits as they operate between their cutoff and saturation region. We saw previously that the N-channel enhancement mode operates using a positive input voltage and has extremely high input resistance, almost infinite, making it possible to interface the nearly any logic gates or driver capable of producing a positive output. We also saw that due to this very high input resistance, we can safely parallel together many different MOSFET until we achieve the current handling capacity that we require. While connecting together various MOSFET in parallel may enable us to switch high current or high voltage load. Doing so become expensive, and we now know that there are two main differences between field effect transistor for JFET and both enhancement and depletion mode. In this tutorial we will learn using enhancement mode MOSFET as a switch, as this transistor required a positive gate voltage to turn on and zero voltage to turn off, making them easily understood. The switch, the operation MOSFET characteristics curve. The minimum on-state gate voltage required to ensure that the MOSFET remain on when carrying the selected drain source can be determined from VI transfer curve. The drain current ID increase to its maximum value due to reduction in the channel resistance. ID become a constant value independent only the VGS. Therefore, the transistor behaves like a closed switch, but the channel on resistance does not reduce fully to zero due to its RDS on value, but gets very small. Likewise, when Vin is low or reduced to zero, the MOSFET point move from point A to B along the load line. The channel resistance is very high, so the transistor act like an open circuit and no current flow through the channel. So if the gate voltage of MOSFET toggle between two very high and low voltage will behave as a single pole, single throw solid state, and it's defined here the operation condition of gate input 0 ID and output voltage. Therefore, for enhancement type MOSFET, the conductive channel is closed and the device is switched off. The input and gate are grounded. Gate source voltage less than threshold voltage. So this is the saturation example using MOSFET as a switch. Circular enhancement mode and channel is being used. Switch lamp on and off should be LED. The gate input voltage is taken to an appropriate positive voltage level to turn device, and therefore the lamp load either on. So we learned about MOSFET basic types working in application circuit. MOSFET is basically a transistor which use field effect. MOSFET is a metal oxide field effect transistor which has a gate. The gate voltage determines the conductivity of device. Depending on this gate voltage, we can change the conductivity, and thus we can use it as switch as a or as amplifier, like we use transistor as a switch or as amplifier. Bipolar junction transistor BJT with emitter collector, whereas MOSFET has gate drain connection. MOSFET has gate, drain and source connection. Other than the pin configuration, BG needs current for operation and MOSFET need voltage. MOSFET provide very high input impedance and it is very easy to buy. So for a linear small amplifier, MOSFET is an excellent choice. The linear amplification occur when we bias the MOSFET in saturation region. Which is centrally fixed dew point. In below image, a basic n-channel MOSFET internal construction is shown. The MOSFET has three connections: drain, source, gate and source. There is no direct connection present between the gate and the channel. The gate electrode is electrically insulated, and due to this reason it is sometimes referred as a insulated gate field effect transistor. So n-channel MOSFET for MOSFETs interconstruction: source, gate, drain. The dielectric is between. Gate is isolated diffuse channel. Anti-channel. So here is image of widely popular MOSFET IRF 530N. Types of MOSFETs. Based on the operation mode, there are two different type of MOSFET. These two types further has two subtypes: depletion type MOSFET or MOSFET with depletion mode, n-channel MOSFET, p-channel MOSFET, enhancement type MOSFET or the enhancement mode. Depletion mode. Depletion type of MOSFET is normally on at zero gate to source voltage. If the MOSFET is n-channel depletion type, MOSFET, then there will be some threshold voltage which is needed to make the device turn off. For example, an n-channel depletion MOSFET with a threshold voltage of minus 3 volts to minus 5 volts. The gate of MOSFET needs to be pulled negative to turn off the device. This threshold voltage will be negative for the n channel and positive in case for p channel. This type of MOSFET is generally used in logic circuits. Enhancement type MOSFET. In enhancement type of MOSFET, the device remains off at zero gate voltage to turn on the MOSFET. We must provide a minimum gate to source voltage, but the drain current is highly dependable on this gate to source voltage. If the VGS is increased, current the VGS is increased, the gate current also increase in the same manner. Enhancement also ideal for construction as amplifier circuit. Also similarly like depletion MOSFET, it also has the NMOS and PMOS subtypes. Characteristics and curve at MOSFET. By providing the stable voltage across drain to source, we can understand the IV curve of a MOSFET. As stated above, the drain current is highly dependable on VGS. The gate to source voltage, if we vary the VGS, the drain current will also vary. Drain lets us IV curve of MOSFET. ID VGS. ID बढ़ेगा when ID increase, so VG. Above image we can see the IV slope of N-channel MOSFET. The drain current is 0 voltage in below the threshold voltage. During the time of MOSFET it is cut-off mode. After that, when gate to source voltage start increasing, the drain current also increase. The relation of ID and VGS is directly proportional to each other. Drain current is 1 ampere at, but when we increase the VGS to 5 volt, the drain current is almost 2 ampere, and finally at 6 volt provide 10 ampere of drain current. Well, now it is